In this video, we'll walk through the driver dashboard and what each part does. You might notice some sections are missing. That's because your operator controls which settings are switched on, so your dashboard may look slightly different to someone else's. To open it, tap the menu in the top left and press Dashboard. It opens straight onto your documents. Documents lists everything you've got on file: your badge, license, insurance, and so on. For each one, you'll see its name, the details, the start and expiry dates, and its current status. If a status says awaiting approval, it just means the office is still checking it. On the right, you can view a document or replace it with an up-to-date copy. Tick Show expired documents to bring back any that have lapsed, or press Upload New Document to add something. Earnings shows what you've made over whatever dates you pick at the top. It starts on the current week. The chart breaks it down day by day and color codes it by how you got paid. Account, card and cash, with each day's total shown above its bar. Underneath, the During this period circles put your own account, card and cash totals next to the fleet average per driver, so you can see how you compare at a glance. Points shows how many driver points you've got right now. Pick a date range and the chart plots how they've gone up and down over that time, so you can see exactly when they changed. Stats, your job statistics, is your performance over whatever dates you choose. It shows the value of any jobs you turned down, a chart of the jobs you completed split by cash, account and card, and 2 dials. Your acceptance rate, and your total jobs split into completed and cancelled. It also compares you to the rest of the fleet, showing the average jobs completed and the average acceptance rate per driver. Ratings is your customer feedback score. If none of your jobs have been rated yet, it'll just say so. Once customers start rating you, your score builds up and shows here. Advanced Jobs shows the jobs that have already been booked in and allocated to you ahead of time. Set the dates to look ahead and they'll appear in the table with the pickup time, the pickup and drop-off addresses, any stops along the way, and anything specific needed for the vehicle or driver. Payments is your statements page. At the top, it tells you where you stand, whether you owe money or you're owed it, with a Make Payment button to settle up. Below that is your full history. Every payment in and out, with the date, in a description, the card used, and the authorization code. Self-allocated jobs lets you grab available work yourself. Pick your vehicle and search by pickup postcode, and any matching jobs show up with their pickup time, addresses, rough duration, and any requirements, ready for you to claim. Now you should be able to know what each part of the driver dashboard does. If you are having issues after watching this video, please contact your office for further assistance.